guys, we are at Shevaroy Hills viewpoint in Yercaud, and this is beautiful view of mountain ranges from here. You can see beautiful trees around here, fog. It's afternoon time. Actually, this is a sunset viewpoint, but we in the evening we planned for Yercaud Lake view boating, so we came here in the afternoon, and afternoon view also beautiful. Look at this beautiful kitchens. It's just for 10 rupees, 20 rupees, like that. Always buy a few things from locals whenever you go to any hill station or any place. Look at this fig with honey, as that lady is saying. We can opted honey from this fig, and look at that bottle. This is honey opted from this fig. Okay, I'll buy this. This is article Wengu soup or article soup. It look like goat leg. It has like paya soup, how we are making paya soup, and it's called lamb feet tuber. Black pepper also available here, because I can see black pepper and coffee plantation more here. Few fun activities also available here. You can enjoy if you have time. You can enjoy here. After Shevaroy Hill viewpoint, we headed to Kiliyur waterfalls. Now we don't know, this is summertime, month of May, and water will be there or not. Still we are taking chance and we are going to waterfall. This waterfall is close to our resort, so you can watch that video for route information. And road is quite narrow. You have to wait to pass one vehicle, then you can go, and road is not that good, it's bumpy. This route is very green, beautiful, but road is very narrow, so drive carefully. And here one private parking available, it's charge 50 rupees, and they have dress changing room also available there. We have to walk down, and this is little steep. We have to walk 250 to 270 steps to reach down to the waterfall, and it's very easy to climb down, but very hard to climb up. These iron steps are difficult to climb, much steep also. Carry your own water bottle you need while climbing up. Water sound is increasing. Maybe we are very close to waterfall. Finally, we reached at Kiliyur waterfalls. Kiliyur waterfalls have 300 feet height, and the main source of this waterfall is Yercaud Lake. When Yercaud Lake overflows, this falls on its full swing, but only during rainy season. Now this flow is nice. It's not that less also. It's month of May, hot summer. Still water flow is good, and we are enjoying here. This waterfall have 4 to 5 steps of rock, so you can enjoy different places, and if it is crowded also you can manage with that. If you want to avoid the crowd, come early in the morning 9 to 10. It almost 4:30. We have to rush for Yercaud Lake. We'll make next video about Yercaud Lake. We are going for boating there, and Yercaud Lake closes at 5:30, so we have to rush here. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन बाय बाय. थैंक यू. स्टे ट्यून.